ClickFunnels versus Kajabi. Which marketing software is better? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which marketing automation platform is better among ClickFunnels and Kajabi. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So, beginning with ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels offers an intuitive drag and drop editor, making it easy to build and customize sales funnels without technical skills. Known for its powerful and easy to use funnel builder, ClickFunnels is ideal for creating high converting sales funnels. Includes features like upsells, downsells, order bumps, and one click checkout designed to maximize sales and conversion rates. Provides access to a wealth of training resources and a supportive community, helping users get the most out of the platform. Offers an attractive affiliate program, allowing users to earn commissions by promoting ClickFunnels. While it has basic CRM and email marketing capabilities, it may not be sufficient for businesses needing robust CRM and automation tools. Can be more expensive, especially when considering additional costs for necessary tools and integrations. Primarily focused on sales funnels, which may not be ideal for businesses looking for a more comprehensive marketing and client management solution. Now, let's come towards Kajabi. Kajabi offers a straightforward, easy to use platform for course creators with an intuitive drag and drop builder. Supports creating communities and memberships, enhancing student engagement and retention. Includes email marketing, automation, landing pages, and sales funnels specifically designed for promoting online courses. Provides detailed analytics to track sales, student progress, and engagement, helping creators optimize their offerings. Combines website hosting, course delivery, and marketing tools into one platform, reducing the need for additional services. While it includes some CRM and sales tools, they may not be as comprehensive as those offered by dedicated platforms. Can be more expensive, especially as you scale your course offerings and need more advanced features. Primarily designed for course creators, so it may not be the best fit for businesses needing extensive client management or diverse marketing strategies. Choosing between ClickFunnels and Kajabi depends on your business size, budget, and specific needs in 2024. ClickFunnels is ideal for businesses that require advanced features, extensive integrations, and are willing to invest in a premium platform. On the other hand, Kajabi is a specialized platform for online course creation and delivery. Consider your business goals and budget to determine which platform aligns best with your needs. That's all for this video.